Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Martine Chiella. In today's video, we are going to be doing a clean and decorate with me for the fall season. I know I did start showing you guys the series in terms of how I'm going to be decorating my space, and this is just a part of that. Keep in mind, not everything that is in the space is fully completed yet, but I think that we've come a long, far way. And because it's the fall season, I decided to throw in a shop with me haul, and I picked up a couple of things at Home Sense, and that video should have been posted already. It's out. It should be linked below if you are looking to see some of those pieces. I will not be going over those pieces in here, but some of the major pieces that I've picked up, I will be sharing with you guys where I got them from. But today is just going to be a quick clean with me, as well as set up for the fall season. Okay, guys? So come along. I'm going to just take you through the living room as well as the dining room and see what I have thus far.
Okay guys, so this is the section that we're going to be working with, the living room. We have the carpet is from Wayfair, and this sectional right here, I got it off of the bricks. The floating shelf is from Amazon. I'm just going to go ahead and just show you all different angles and different sides so that you see what I'm going to be working with. It is in a large space and the corners are slightly different in every corner right here, so it was kind of hard for me to fit a perfect carpet in there. So it was you'll be able to see it, so it was kind of hard to kind of like put the carpet flush to the walls because every angle was slightly different. This is the dining room section right here, and I got this particular carpet from Walmart. My local Walmart had it, and I ended up just hanging the picture over the sectional. This is the picture that is in the living room. So we'll go ahead and start off with the living room section. Just vacuum the living room section right here. So that painting was very peaceful, and it kind of just went with our sectional, so that's why I chose it. I decided to put it up on that wall right there. It's actually from Beauclair. I decided to put it on that wall right there simply because over on the opposite wall, the parallel wall, I am thinking of putting a mirror there, but I just haven't found the right mirror that I want. I want something slightly larger to eat up a lot of the space on the wall, and so it's something nice and it's going to fill the space but still have that minimal effect and still be able to bounce off a lot of light in this small space. Another thing you will notice immediately is that both carpets, even though I got it from different places, they work very well together. The cords are still visible, but I am working on concealing them so that they have a nice seamless look right in front of the TV. Now that the cleaning is out of the way, we're starting off with these ottomans here, and they're going to be multi-purpose in this area right here. They can act as seating. We can put a little something on it, or you can even put up your feet on them. They're very functional. And then I'm going to be bringing in this plant right here. I got it off of Amazon, and the pot I got it off of Home Sense. The filler right there on top there, I just got it off of our local dollar store. They do carry some filler moss as well. as I am filling this space right here, my main purpose, what I'm really looking for, is to get that cozy feeling. I don't want the space to feel very cluttered at all because it's not a large space. I kind of want it to work very harmoniously together and very neutral, very minimal. And that's what I was going for. But because of this season around here, the fall, I wanted to bring in a pop of color. I'm normally leaning towards a lot more neutrals and things around the home, and a little bit of black and whites as well, shades. So I am bringing in a little bit of orange and brownish settled colors this time around, and we're just gonna see how it goes. This time around, I opted for zebra blinds rather than curtains, and just for a change, because last time I had the curtains. And one thing you'll notice about me quickly is that I decorate according to what I absolutely love, and I don't follow any particular decorating trends or anything like that because it's just simply not attainable for me or my budget. So I do what I love in my space and what works for my family, and I would definitely encourage you to do the same as well. Okay guys, so moving on to the dining room section. The table and these velvet chairs are from Wayfair. I got them off of Wayfair. I had originally ordered a couple of pieces from Structube because they were on back order for such a long time, and I was just super tired of sitting on lawn chairs in the home. When we moved in, I decided to settle and go to Wayfair, and they were the ones offering me the earlier option of delivery, and I ended up going with that choice. Am I regretting this option? Well, yes, I'm not quite 100% satisfied with these pieces, but because I have them now and I've already committed, we are sticking with them. And now for my absolute favorite piece, this stone vase right here. I wanted to put it here so I can give this table a little bit of height because I don't have a chandelier. And so this is the final look for this area right here until we finish up the walls on this section. A very minimal hint of fall all around the home is the look I was going to achieve for these two areas right here. I just love how everything is just coming together piece by piece, and it's making our space feel more and more like home again, and we're so happy to be back home. I would love to have you as a subscriber on my channel here. Don't forget to hit the like button And thank you so very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Until next time, be kind to one another. Bye.